Shake it.
You want me to take that out?
There's usually trains all over this room.
Oh.
I think we need a new Santa.
Yeah, really.
Come on, Santa.
Too much.
Call me Santa.
Well, I'm trying to find Danielle's and all this stuff over here.
There's a ton of Danielle over there.
Well, should we just pass them all out? Yeah.
Yeah, so just keep passing them.
Yeah, because
Let's
she's
just pass them all out, and then everybody will have a pile.
Mom's working too hard over there.
Yeah.
She's gonna fall. She's gonna fall. We're all gonna starve. It's gonna be ugly.
Well, that's because what Michael and Danielle's are.
So why are we doing them first?
Because I was trying to.
Almost
Thank you.
there. Almost there. James. Alright, hold on. I gotta take these little things off.
Brianna, is that a little kitty?
And I got
Yeah.
Thank you.
James?
I don't have Thomas.
You don't have one?
You have Thomas at home.